Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fingerprint door lock in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Tuya App Remotely Wi-Fi Door Lock. Brand name, Tuya. Material, aluminium alloy. Unlock mode, fingerprint, password, smart card, key. Fingerprint read, FPC sensor, semiconductor sensor. Card user, 50. Fingerprint user, 50. Chip type, dual core driver. Read time, 0.3 seconds. Touchscreen, inlay material. Working power, 4xAA 1.5V batteries, not include. Operating temperature, -25 to 55 centigrade. Password function, support virtual password. Suit for the door thickness about 35-50 mm. Tuya Wi-Fi Smart Fingerprint Lock Suit for metal door, wooden door, sliding door, bridge aluminum door. Tuya App Powerful function, no need gateway to connect Wi-Fi. Remotely unlock via Tuya App, it can be unlocked even abroad. Fingerprint handle, the fingerprint head adopts the living biometric identification technology imported from Germany. 0.3 seconds recognition speed, tap on your finger to turn it on. Number 4. Aqara Smart Fingerprint Door Lock. Brand name, Aqara. Suitable for Mihia app and Apple HomeKit. More than 20 hardcore black technology, anti-violence, anti-stalking, anti-cat eye. 7 ways to unlock, fingerprint, password, key, temporary password, Bluetooth, NFC only, supported by Xiaomi phone, Mi Band 4, the latest watch, HomeKit Bluetooth. App real-time monitoring, check the locking status at any time. Privacy protection and anti-peeping, support anti-peeping virtual password. Safety design, anti-cat's eye unlock design. Intelligent linkage, linkage is more personalized by identifying indoor and outdoor locking actions. N100 door lock has 7 unlocking ways: fingerprint, password, key, temporary password, Bluetooth, NFC, HomeKit Bluetooth. S2 Pro has 3 unlocking ways: fingerprint, password, electronic key unlock. Standby time, N100 door lock is about 18 months, S2 Pro is about 12 months. N100 door lock supports Mija and Apple HomeKit app, S2 Pro supports Mihia app. Number 3. Raykube Fingerprint Door Lock. Brand, Raykube. Support Wi-Fi connecting, Tuya version. Material, aluminium alloy. 35 to 100 mm door thickness, are suitable for metal door, wooden door, sliding door, broken bridge aluminum door. Unlock mode, app, fingerprint, password, smart card, key. Bluetooth 4.1 Blade. Fingerprint read, FPC sensor, semiconductor sensor. Color, black. Card user, 90. Fingerprint user, 90. Chip type, dual core driver. Read time, 0.3 seconds. Touchscreen, inlay material. Battery box in the back panel, use 4 PCs AAA 1.5 volt battery, no include in the package. The reset button is in here too. Operating temperature, -20 to 55 centigrade. Password function, support virtual password. Suit for the door thickness about 35-100 mm. Number 2. Yoheen Biometric Fingerprint Door Lock. Brand name, Yoheen. Panel size, 340 by 70 mm. Color, black, red, bronze. Material, aluminum alloy. Unlock method, Bluetooth, app password, fingerprint, password, card, key. Cylinder grade, C-grade blade cylinder. Applications, house, apartment, school, office. Functional, wooden door, security door, fireproof door, stainless door. Lock body, sawing resistant, pulling resistant, prying resistant, anti-theft. Power supply, 4 AA batteries, excluded. Add an extra Bluetooth gateway to meet Wi-Fi connection. You can remotely control the smart door lock anywhere. Suitable for door thickness, 1.57 and 4.33 inches or 40 and 120 mm. The number of fingerprint storage group, 200 PCs. Number 1. Cardoria Security Intelligent Lock. Brand name, Cardoria. Special lock body, easy to install, which more suitable for overseas customers' door lock system. Support app unlock, app remote control through Wi-Fi, mobile data links. Support fingerprint, password, RFID card, mechanical key unlock, make your home smarter. Low battery alarm function, when the battery is running out, it will automatically reminder. Overlength standby times up to 365 days, power supply, 4 pieces AA batteries not included. Equipped with USB emergency charging port. Suitable for the thickness of 30 to 100 mm door. Meet diverse needs, universal for all direction left pull, push, right pull, push.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.